Hello, my dear students. A very warm good morning to all of you. I am Sukhvinder Kaur from DIPS Tanda. Today, we will continue the remaining part of the chapter, The Turning Point. Let's start. Sherry, hold on. It's nothing. Let me get you inside. But his assurances were of no avail. The bark of Sherry, the angry yelling of its master, and the loud noise of firecrackers created a cacophony within seconds. People peeped out of their windows and from their balconies, unable to figure out what was going on. Some laughed at what they saw. Students, in this paragraph, Mr. Saini was trying his level best to calm down his dog, Sherry, in a loud voice, but of no use. The noise of firecrackers, barking of Sherry, and the loud voice of its master created a scene in seconds, and people were looking out of their windows and balcony to see what had happened. Swapna and Deep hid behind the parapet of the terrace and giggled, unable to control themselves as if it was their moment of ultimate thrill. So, students here, Swapna and Deep were enjoying this sight and laughing. Again, they got away as they were not caught red handed. Deep and Swapna were neighbors, and their parents knew each other well. Their parents and teachers had tried their best to knock some sense into the boys, but nothing seemed to work. So, here, students, again Swapna and Deep escaped. Their parents were neighbors. Their parents and teachers tried their level best to take them to the right path, but of no use. As Swapna and Deep dashed down and reached the foot of the staircase, they spotted an old lady coming towards the lift, which was right next to the stairs. Deep winked at Swapna and whispered, "The new neighbor." He rolled the ball towards her. She was about to trip on it and fall, but regained her balance somehow as she leaned against the wall. The bag of vegetables slipped from her hands and fell on the floor with a thud. "Auntie, be careful," cried Deep. Almost instantly, Swapna asked innocently, "Oh, what had happened?" She looked at the scattered vegetables and gave them a stern look. But before she could utter a word, the boys had disappeared down the path. She bent down, collected the vegetables, and went her way, muttering, "Oh, my ankles hurts now." So, students here, after this, again they try to have fun by troubling an old lady who was their new neighbor carrying the bag of vegetables. Deep rolled the ball toward her. She was about to fall but balanced herself somehow. Her vegetables scattered on the floor. Deep and Swapan pretended to help her, but in vain. The old lady herself collected the vegetables by bending down, but her ankle hurts now. The old lady Ramaya had recently shifted to the corner flat on the fourth floor of the building, but about a month ago she lived alone and would fend things for herself. Her only son worked in New Zealand and she had no one else to call a family. However, she managed to apply some pain relief balm on her ankle and went about doing her routine work. So, here the students, the author try to say that it was now 1 month that was the old lady named Ramaya was living on the fourth floor of in a corner flat of the building. She lived alone as her only son worked in New Zealand. She was herself doing all her daily work. Hardly had a week passed when Swapna and Deep made a fresh new plan to trouble Ramaya. Let's try something new. I'm getting bored, said Swapna. At this, Deep gave a wicked smile and said, Oh, yes, I have game for it. Let's. Swapna cut him short and his eyes lit up. I have got an idea. Let us go to the old lady's flat and ring the doorbell again and again after every few minutes. If we ring it thrice, she will be fed up and terribly angry. Deep exclaimed, unable to hold his excitement. Brilliant. Remember, we ought to be careful so as not to be caught. Each time we can just hide in the corner of the staircase on the third floor right below her entrance door. Students, in this paragraph, after a week, again Deep and Swapna planned to trouble Ramaya. They had an idea to ring the doorbell of Ramaya again and again. It will made her angry. To have this fun, they hid themselves in the corner of the staircase on the third floor right below her entrance door. Students, the next part we will do tomorrow. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.